in line with its mission to conserve and sustainably manage Uganda's wildlife and protected areas through collaboration with communities and stakeholders for the benefit of both Ugandans and the global community, Uganda Wildlife Authority hosted district communication officers from over 50 districts bordering Uganda's national parks and other protected areas. This was at Queen Elizabeth Conservation Area, where participants learned about how Uganda Wildlife Authority conducts its conservation efforts, including habitat restoration, mitigation of human-wildlife conflicts, community conservation initiatives, and livelihood support programs.
As we work towards protecting nature, we need multi-sector partners to be able to work with us and inform Ugandans what we do in conservation to manage the protected areas and what we need to do to increase the visitor numbers in our protected areas. Last financial year, that is 2024-2025, Queen Elizabeth received over 140,000 visitors. Interestingly, 70% of these visitors are actually Ugandans and East African citizens, and that's a very great achievement in terms of informing Ugandans and East Africans about domestic tourism and involving in travel, because this is the only way we can sustain tourism in Uganda. Otherwise, foreign visitors constitute to around 28%, and then the other 3% is about foreign residents who are in East Africa and also rest of Africa. And therefore, it's our appeal that the communication managers and officers who have come to visit us appreciate the beauty of the protected area, inform all Ugandans and South African citizens about the beauty of the protected areas, and they come and enjoy and remove the stress from them and learn more about the need to protect the environment and for our benefits today and the benefits of future generations to come.
The participants shared their experiences and what they learned.
My name is Kavo Sharon. I'm the Communications Officer, Kasese District, and I'm happy that I'm hosting a bigger team from 60 districts living near neighboring national parks in Uganda. So despite of being the host and staying near this national park, Queen Elizabeth, I think I'm still having a unique experience in the national park. There is a lot I've not been aware of because like the invasive plant that is taking up the national park and threatening wildlife habitats. I had no idea about that, but I've learned a lot about it because this is an idea I'm going even to take forward to our stakeholders at district level, because this is our national park. We are benefiting from it a lot.
My name is Ola Karejalan, the Communication Officer of Kitgum District Local Government adjacent to Kidepo National Game Park. We have learned a lot, especially in regards to human-wildlife conflict, how best we can handle.
I am just so happy because our park in Kidepo is just recently being fenced. The electric fencing is starting. And what I have seen here at Queen, at the electric fence yesterday, I saw maize just close to the electric fence. Now I would appeal to my community that let's embrace the project of fencing by government, that electric fencing of the game park. It is going to make us have crops, no more crop rates, or if they are there, but they are at a minimal place or a minimal rate. So we just have to embrace the fencing. I really appeal to my communities and my leaders that let us mobilize people to embrace the fencing, because when you see the maize that is being planted around just next to the fence of Queen Elizabeth National Game Park, it is just wow.
It broadens our thinking, and we look at the animals as literally these are animals we need to coexist with, since they generate a lot of revenue, and therefore we need to conserve them for the future.
I learned that we are generating a lot of revenue from the engagements of tourists, both international and also local, and that when we work together as a team, we would see that the tourism industry would grow and bring in a lot of foreign earning, but also the locally generated monies.
I must say this, local tourism is really, really good, because UWA subsidizes the prices for us, as the locals vis-a-vis the whites who come and visit. So therefore, I would really implore people to really take on board local tourism, because we have quite a number of areas where we can really go for adventure. For instance, we have Queens, we have Masishon, we have Kidepo, and all these Mburo and all that.
There's a lot I've learned about the invasives, the new animals. Personally, I had never seen an animal like a lion in my life. So my personal experience is going to be a way of putting things into action. I want to take this chance to thank the government of Uganda, especially Uganda Wildlife Authority, for considering communications officers as the people who are going to raise a louder voice to inform the people about what UWA is doing, because most people down there don't really know how far, what efforts the agency is doing.
Yes, a lot has transpired, and I want to say we are really so grateful. I'll gladly say I'm a self-appointed ambassador for tourism and conservation.
For Ugandans, you are assured that if you come to Queen Elizabeth, you are able to find the leopards, you are able to find the lions at a close range. And this is our key selling point now, because we are very assured that you go with a nice experience.